Do you have a broken adjustment buckle on a backpack, strap, or bag? Stick around. I'm gonna show you with this item how you can fix it. You can even do it in the field, no sewing. You have these adjustment straps on your backpack where you can pull and tighten the slack on the shoulder strap. And so basically this buckle on this strap has broken. I still have here the loop, but I don't wanna go in and I don't wanna cut stitching and re-sew anything. So what I did was I bought this field repair buckle, and you can see what I have here. This buckle allows you to do the fix in the field because all you need is a Phillips head screwdriver. But I'm going to show you how to do that right now. It's this buckle that adjusts the slack on the shoulder strap here. And as you can see, I have the loop here, but I need to be able to connect it. So I'm going to take the field repair buckle. I'm going to take this little metal piece here and I'm going to unscrew this with my Phillips head. So in this case, I'm going to use the bolty tool. Just unscrew this. Okay, so this is a very simple fix here. I'm going to take my buckle, place it over my strap, place this inside one end and run it through the loop right here all the way to the other end. And then I'm going to take my Phillips head and screw it in. Screw that in, and now it's in there. Is I'm going to find the other end of the strap. I want to make sure when you pull the strap that it goes in the correct way. It's going to go in here through this. There we go. There we go. All right. This thing there. So now I've got it through here. Next thing is I'm just going to simply go through the bottom here and take my pliers and pull it through. Now, it's fixed. Now I have this repaired. Here's my old one. When I want to adjust it, I just simply pull the strap and it's fixed, good as new. So again, all this is the Sea to Summit field repair buckle. Really simple. You can find these on Amazon. It's for 1-inch webbing, which is standard. Go check it out if you have a broken buckle on your backpack. Thanks for watching. Get out there, enjoy the outdoors, and remember, Jesus loves you. No matter what you're going through, give it to Christ and let him take care of it.